Hello, today we're going to be learning how to use the EE key on a calculator for scientific notation. What I've got here is three simulated TI-83 calculators. There's an expression there that we're going to evaluate, first using a calculator using the 10 raised to the x key, then again using the 10 with the caret key, and finally using the EE key or the exponent key. Let's go ahead and keying these in. We're going to key in 8.0 times 10 to the 5th, and we're going to use the 10 to the x key on the leftmost calculator there. So there's kind of slow and painstaking here. We're going to divide the numerator by the first part of the denominator, that 4.0 times 10 to the 2nd, and we're going to use the 10 to the x key to get that 10 to the 2nd functionality in there. And then we have to close that parenthesis and then divide by the other part of the denominator, which is 2.0 times 10 to the 3rd. So here we go, 2.0 times 10 to the x, and then a 3, close parenthesis, and hit that enter key lower right. What do we get? 1 times 10 to the 10th, which is 10 billion. Okay, now let's use the caret method of getting an exponent. Again, we're going to enter that expression, 8.0 times 10 caret 5, which is kind of the long way of putting in scientific notation. Divide that numerator by the first part of the denominator, which is 4.0 times 10 caret 2, and I'll wait for the calculator to catch up a little bit. And we're dividing that result by the second part of the denominator, which is 2.0 times 10 caret 3. And when we wrap all that up and press the enter key in the lower right, we'll see that we also get essentially 10 billion. 1 times 10 to the 10th. Now we're going to use the EE key and actually get the correct answer for this problem. 8.0 EE5 divided by the first part of the denominator, 4.0, and then that EE key with the number 2, and then divided by the second part of the denominator, 2.0 EE3. Notice in using the EE key, you don't have to enter a 10 explicitly. And we get an answer of 1. So our answers range from 10 billion, 10 billion, and 1. Well, I'm happy to say that the third method actually got us the right answer, and jumping for joy there a little bit with the cursor. But let's go up and look at the original problem again. Let's look at the exponent part. We've got a 10 to the 5th divided by a 10 squared divided by a 10 cubed. That's essentially 10 to the 5th over 10 to the 5th, which is 1. And likewise with the mantissa part, we've got 8.0 divided by the product of 4 and 2, which is 8 over 8, which is also 1. So the answer is 1 in this case. And we could have used parentheses with the first two methods, but that gets really awkward, and in my opinion, it's much simpler to use the EE key. Thank you very much.